Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Fired Up this morning. Trust you all had a great weekend. My name is Chaisimi Amos Papatunde and today we're talking about mental strength. Mental strength is the measure of individual resilience and confidence that can go a long way to predict success. And I have few tips to share with us on how we can stay mentally strong. Number one, write down three things you are always grateful for. Write down three things that makes you feel impressed. Write down three things that makes you proud of yourself. Number two, never argue with strangers. Never argue with strangers. Number three, celebrate your success more often. Remember, this is all about you. Celebrate your success more often. Number four, stop competing with others and focus on your own self. Stop competing with others and focus on yourself. Number five, use more positive words. Declare positive things about yourself. Declare great things about yourself. Number six, spend some time alone regularly. Stay secluded, re-strategize. Number seven, cry when you are really sad. And number eight, which is the last one, do not respond to insults. Thanks for stopping by and have a great week ahead.